There's something about the way that you understand.
Hi guys, Beshies and Momshies. Again, this is April dear and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I just wanted to share this happiness na nafe-feel ko ngayon. I'm so blessed and happy kasi naka-receive ako ng PR kit and this is my very first PR kit. So please come and join me and continue watching. Okay, eto nga. So, na-receive ko to from, this is from Manila Influencers. So, they have these Korean products. And, eto, yung first PR kit na na-receive ko from them is this one. This is Intensive All-in-One Snail Cream. So, it's the same. But this one is just like the ordinary one. And then, and what I've noticed is this one is ×2. But this is bigger. Ayan siya. Ayan. So, let's open it. Ayan. Okay. Ayan siya. It's a snail cream. Yeah, it's an intensity... sorry. It's an intensive all-in-one snail cream, but this big one is ×2. Ito, yung isa lang siya. So, the regular. So, ibig sabihin, syempre, siguro nga is, this one is mas okay siya or mas powerful siya. Ayan. Powerful talaga. Ayan, that is the one. So, same lang sila. This one has 50 grams and this one is 100 grams. Ayan. Diba? So, of course, this product is made in Korea and it's nice. It's not tested on animal. Alright. It is our simple principle to minimize skin stress by essential ingredients at a minimum and to give a comfort to our skin by narrow down the product lineup. Ayan. So, I believe this one, nakakatanggal siya. This one is good. Snail cream are good for anti-aging. Ayan siya. And then, when I try to apply it, hindi siya stick. Wala siyang stickiness. Again, wala siyang lagkit factor. Yun yung pinaka-hinahanap ko. No lagkit factor. Yung scent niya is very light lang. As in, very light. So, maganda siya. And then, hindi siya malagkit. Ginagamit ko siya every night. Okay. That is the one product from them. And then, I also received this Aqua Magic Blend. Aqua Magic Blank White Tone. Later tonight, itatry ko siya. This is the Aqua Magic Blank White Tone. And then, together with that, meron din nung, meron silang kasama na tip concealer. Yan. Kasama yun sa product na to. Yan yung first na na-receive ko from them. And then, I have the second one. Ito yung kasama niya sa package. This is for hygiene. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm going to research them soon. I'm so sorry. Ayan siya. Ayan. Meron siyang ganano siya. Parang lifted siya or na maganda. Nakalagay siya is putting your skin first. And, ayan. Excited akong gamitin tong mask na to. Ayan siya. Actually, maganda na talaga mag-mask ka. As much as possible nga, maganda everyday. So, talagang parang hydrated yung skin mo. And then, with this one, so this one, I guess this green one, it's best to use kapag, you know, you wanted to feel relaxed, you wanted to feel calm, yan. Pag stress out ka, ito, gamitin mo. And then, for this one is, yan, Oxygen Water Blue Vitalizing Mask Sheet. Maganda rin siya, siguro, pag medyo feel mo, medyo kulang sa hydration ang iyong skin. O, yan. O kaya ito, moisturizing for pag feel mo dry. Yan. I'm going to try this 3 sheet mask soon. And then, together with this, ay, ito, whitening cream. Ayan, Beshi. Maganda siya. Tingin ko, it's a face and body collagen whitening cream. And this one is, of course, syempre, it's all made in Korea. This one is 200 ml. Ayan. Actually, na-try ko na siya. May scent siya, pero parang compare ko yung scent niya is parang lighter ng scent ng Nivea. Ganun yung amoy niya. And then, the texture, I think it's the same. Parang ganun-ganun. I tried it. Okay, gusto ko siyang gamitin dun sa mga, yan, sa mga siko-siko. Kasi minsan, pag nadadry, alam mo, nag-iiba yung color ng skin tone natin. Dun sa part na nadry. Sa mga tuhod, ayan, gusto ko siya doon i-try. Okay. Okay. And yes, this is Face and Body Collagen Whitening Cream. So, it is collagen. I'm pretty sure it is good. And then the last one received from them is this, the Ginkgo Natural. Ayan. You can order this from Shopee. Actually, ang price niya, I believe it's like something, 1,000 plus. Okay, 1,400 or 1,500 siya. But it's on sale right now. It's only 600 pesos lang siya. And this is from Korea pa, nung talaga nila. Ayan. Alam mo, nung inamay ko siya, malaki siya ha. See, it's 180 ml. Okay, malaki talaga siya. Ayan yung kamay ko. 180 ml. And then, na-shock ako kasi gusto ko yung scent niya. When I open it, yung scent niya, amoy green tea siya, Besh. Nakaka-relax. Ay, ang bango-bango. Amoy green tea siya. Ayan. And, yes, ito nga yun. So, ang sabi nila is Ginkgo Natural Cleansing Foam, Rich Bubbles contain Ginkgo Energy Complex and herb extracts from Jeju Island, completely removing wastes and maintaining moisture for skin. So, that's it. Just today, I also received this package from Sample Room PH. Ayan siya. Okay. And then, ayan na. Meron akong pamalit. I have this Clean Max. This is the antibacterial multi-surface wipes. Ayan siya. And then, let's try kung makapal ba siya. Wanted to use. Pero nakalagay naman kasi dito is formulated to clean and disinfect deodorized surface, and this is a honeycomb textured surface. Bango siya. Amoy fresh lang siya. Bango niya. Okay, buti lang. Ang bango niya. Parang amoy fresh lang siya. Ayan. So, pinanasa ko na. This one, it's Max Clean. Yeah, it's nice. And then, I also got this. Sorry, nalaglag naman. I also got this from Sample Room PH. This is the Gum Tech. Okay. And then, Gum Care Toothpaste. This is with Gum Shield, and this one is sensitive toothpaste. Tamang-tama kasi naghahanap si mami ng toothpaste na for sensitive teeth. So, eto sa kanya. Eto sa akin. And that's it, guys. I just wanted to share my happiness na na-receive ko itong mga first PR kits na to, and I'm still praying, of course, and I'm hoping and praying that there's more to come. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much, mga beshies and mga momshies. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you will be updated sa mga susunod ko pang video. Alright, bye!
We don't need a rush and we don't need